A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class, and we are going to start a new topic today, which is interjections. Children, as we discussed earlier, interjections, this is the last part of speech we are going to do. We did 8 parts of speech. I hope you all remember that. Noun, pronouns, adjectives, verb, adverbs, interjections, conjunctions, and we did prepositions. So we are done with all, and interjections, it is the last part of speech that we are going to do. As you can see on your screen, children, these are some words, these are some examples of interjections like whoa or wow, good grief, hey, ouch, hooray, oh, oops, oh no. Children, these are the words which are used with exclamation mark, all right? And these words show some emotion, okay? Some feeling, all right? Let us see more about it. These are some more examples here, children, like hey, well, ouch, oh, yeah, wow, hooray, hi. All these are interjections. Let's see the definition. An interjection is a short exclamation that expresses emotion. An interjection, it is a part of speech that shows the emotion or feeling of the author or the person, who's saying or who's writing. All right? So it shows some emotions. Most important interjections list: ah, exclamation of fear, ah, realization or acceptance, or something sweet or cute. Bingo! Acknowledge something as right. Uh, question something. Uh oh, showing dismay. Phew, amazement, and or we use it as for relief also. Whoa, expressing surprise or admiration. Yay, congratulatory! Exclamation. Yeah, variant of yes. Yikes, for fear or concern. A indicates a pause, need for more time. Hmm, thinking or hesitating about something, or not knowing what to say. Hmm, pausing or being skeptical. You, something disgusting. Hmm, to indicate displeasure. Oh, I see or I think. Oops, making a mistake. Ouch! Exclamation of pain when you get hurt. Shh, an indication for silence. Yippee! Exclamation of celebration. So, children, when we use these interjections, okay, or when you read it also somewhere, you are supposed to show that feeling in your voice, okay? Interjections need voice modulation. So when you say these words they don't have a separate meaning, okay? But they just show your emotions, they show some feeling, all right? These are some more interjections here. When you're in doubt, we say like that. Pity, dear, alas. When you feel that pity for somebody. Realization, disapproval, all right. Irritation, huh, hey, oh, panic, help, ah, dismay, oh, oops, oh no. So, children, these are so many interjections which are used with different feelings and different emotions. Okay, you all can go through it. There are some more, children, you can see here on the screen. Ah, bingo, gee, boo, woo, aha, bravo, oops, wow, hi, oh, you, yeah, well, hey, yo-ho, ha, tis, tis. All these are interjections. They just show emotions, okay? We can see some more. Let's read about it here. Interjections are small words that bear no grammatical connection with the sentences in which they are used. They express the emotions or sentiments of the speaker or convey hesitation or protest. They basically show your emotions or your feelings. They are usually followed by an exclamation mark. Ouch is an exclamation of pain. Okay, ouch, that hurts. Stop pinching me. Shh is an indication for silence. Shh, the show is about to start. Oh, showing dismay. Oh, the teachers caught him. Phew, amazement and or relief. Phew, I can't believe we actually finished it all. Whoa, expressing surprise. Whoa, that's really great news. Yeah, it's a variant of yes. It's another way of saying yes. Yeah, I'd love some orange juice. Yay, it shows congratulation. I can't believe you're actually coming here. Yay, yikes. Yikes, my mother's home. Yippee! It shows celebration. Yippee! We won. Let's head to the bar. Okay, so these are some of the interjections. Some. Okay, there are many more you have seen. Children, we will be discussing it more in the class and we'll be doing book exercises. Till then, you all have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe, children. Thank you.